Loneliness is a funny thing. It sort of wraps you up somehow. And it's so difficult sometimes to break out of it. It's a dark hole when loneliness hits you.
Older people who find themselves isolated are being matched up with dogs and their owners on so-called dog dates.
Older people who feel lonely could be helped by a new scheme involving dogs.
The idea is simple, bringing people together through their love of dogs. On the one hand, dog owners who love their pets and want to share them, and on the other, elderly people who might be feeling isolated.
It's lovely meeting this little Alfie. I could cry because it was an absolute dream, honestly.
I just can't believe it that I'm here, actually. It means everything. It's different. It's living.